So the reason I wanted to be my own business owner and the reason I wanted to open up Glassbox originally was I felt that there was a lack of attention to detail in precision-based haircutting, as well as this barbershop resurgence. Everyone was opening up something very, very similar. You know, and I felt like at the time, that's not really what I wanted to do. Now, me coming from a salon background and then moving to the barbershop, I was like, man, we really should combine these two. So we have the experience and the atmosphere, but it meets the credentials of a traditional barbershop and those traditional skills, but also add the fusion of the modern day hairdressing. Because you gotta look to the past, I think, to move into the future. So we've taken things from the past, we've combined them, and then we moved forward with it. And again, I didn't create the wheel, I just reinvented it. And I think that's why we've been so successful, because it is a salon atmosphere, but it has the feels of a barbershop in that community. So I think the big reason for me wanting to do this was obviously taking the risk is always something I was willing to do, but at the same time, I knew that there was a gap in the market for services that people wanted. And the minute we opened up, we've seen that success. I mean, we're 5 years in, you know, we have 6 locations and an academy, and we're not even stopping here. And that's due to the fact that we've created a new resurgence of a demand that people are asking for.